Through the project we ran a number of workshops looking at the various technical software that we needed to use. Because it was based on video, we were using Windows Movie Maker, but it was also just understanding the cameras, the video cameras as well, making sure that the teachers were actually comfortable with it, with all the settings, the light that needed to, the light balances. So various techniques to actually try and get the best shot that they could then transfer that knowledge over to the students. We used a range of cameras. There are different types of cameras. You will get different qualities out of different cameras. So luckily we had one within the team, so within the health team, that was a nice high definition one, so very good quality video footage from that one. But we actually had a couple of others that were quite good as well. But each one has different features depending on the branding as well. So it's understanding what those features are and how to get the best out of the equipment that you've got as well. Everyone actually took on the editing process really, really well. So we got some footage, some testing footage. We've put that into Windows Movie Maker. We've chopped it, put transitions in, some edited transitions, and it was all very easy. All the staff took it on quite easily. They understood the techniques, what was trying to be achieved. So I'd have to say there wasn't a lot of barriers through that actual process. Keeping it nice, the editing process nice and simple, to still achieve a good outcome at the end, but also the positiveness of the staff, so the teaching staff and things, kept it really easy. So it was just a little bit of troubleshooting, so you know, the odd feature here, making sure you've got this setting, the output that you want. So it was just a little bit of troubleshooting to ensure that the output was actually really good. Certainly when we were taking the video footage, it was great to have high quality, have that really high quality initially, because then we could use that, edit it and output to multiple different types as well. So high definition was really great to put onto a DVD to get high quality visual effects for the students, and so they could really see the skills well, but to make it accessible to a wider range as well, being able to output a slightly lower quality for use on the web, such as YouTube. But being able to have multiple output types was really valuable, but starting with high quality first gives you that wider range. The only thing I'd probably do differently is a bit more planning. And that's going to come from experience. So my experience now dealing with the Innovations Project, which I have found to be really great. Also just dealing with the staff within the project and the team has been a really good experience for me. But having a bit more of a detailed plan I think would actually benefit, and making sure that we know exactly what outputs we wanted from it. I found it absolutely fantastic working with such a diverse team, such a diverse range of teams. Going in and actually viewing the skills that were videoed within the actual project, the process behind it, what goes into it. I just found it an amazing thing to actually watch, and just working with the people in the team who were so enthusiastic, so encouraging. I didn't have to actually encourage much at all. So it was just wonderful the way even the students loved seeing the review of themselves after they'd seen their video footage, so when they've done the skill and what they've critiquing themselves through it as well, and the support from the teaching staff. It was a wonderful thing to see. So I think this project was really valuable.